अस्सलाम वालेकुम, हाय बडीज, हाउ आर यू। उम्मीद है आप लोग अच्छी ज़िंदगी बसर कर रहे होंगे। आज की वीडियो अगेन इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी वेरी अपीलिंग वन। आज की वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करने जा रहा हूँ सम इंटरेस्टिंग idioms and phrases. I hope that you would find this video very interesting one. So before we learn today's idioms and phrases, I would like to request you to kindly subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed so far, and also press the bell icon so that you may receive the notifications of my upcoming videos on your cell phone. आज के जो idioms and phrases हैं वो देख लेते हैं क्या है। The first idiom that I am going to discuss with you is a white elephant. What does it mean? Something that is not useful and costs a lot of money to maintain it is called a white elephant. For example, Pakistan International Airlines is a white elephant for the government of Pakistan because it is incurring huge losses. The second idiom that I would like to discuss with you is a dumb bunny. A dumb bunny. What does it mean? It means a stupid person. For example, he is really a dumb bunny. He always does stupid things. The third idiom, again very interesting one, is as cool as cucumber. As cool as cucumber. What does it mean? Someone who is very cool-headed and does not get worried. For example, Imran Khan was a great captain because he always remained as cool as cucumber. The fourth idiom, that is round off. What does it mean? It means to be bored or annoyed. For example, I am always round off whenever Tanveer comes to see me. What does it mean? That whenever Tanveer comes to see me, I am bored, I am annoyed. The fifth idiom, again very interesting one, is a dagger's drawn. What does it mean? Bitterly hostile. सख्त दुश्मन होना. Bitterly hostile. For example, India and Pakistan are a daggers drawn over the issue of Kashmir. इंडिया और पाकिस्तान कश्मीर के इशू पर या मसला कश्मीर पर एक दूसरे के सख्त दुश्मन हैं या जानी दुश्मन हैं, सख्त दुश्मन हैं. So they are a daggers drawn always over the issue of Kashmir. तो ये थे आज के idioms and phrases. Hope आपने बहुत कुछ सीखा होगा out of today's lecture. I thank you very much.